Hi everyone, you're welcome here. Today we're going to be making this delicious Gizdodo. It's actually a combination of chicken gizzards and plantain, just making a paste around it, and it's addictive. So I don't know, just if you don't know how to control this, don't even start. Now I'm going to spice up my chicken gizzard after turning away the first water from it. Then you boil this and make sure it's soft enough. Depending on the quantity you're using. For mine, I just spent 45 minutes boiling this. So after boiling it, you want to transfer this to an air fryer and you fry this for 10 minutes. So we'll be using ripe plantain. Cut it into tiny bits and fry till it's golden brown. Next, we want to cut our chicken gizzards. I normally cut 1 into 4 portions. Then, depending on the size, if it's a small size, you just cut it into 2. Next, this we'll be using to prepare our pepper sauce: scotch, bonnet pepper, ginger, garlic, onion, 1 tomato, and 1 bell pepper. I'll be adding my garlic to this. So I'll fry it in my vegetable oil. I'm using the same oil I used to fry my plantain. I just reduced it a little bit. So after frying this, I'll add my blended pepper to it. Then we want to fry this for a few minutes. It doesn't take time since it's in a small quantity, so you just fry it for a few minutes. If you want to add in your seasoning to it, just put in your salt, your curry, your thyme, and you're good to go. After adding it, and you allow it to simmer for a few minutes, so next we're going to be adding our fried plantain. We'll add this together and we'll let them to know each other, let them become friends, and this is looking good already. At this point you can add in some veggies. I added my veggies and an extra onion when I was done frying everything. I wanted to eat my veggies fresh today, so I added it after the fry. But you can add it at this point, your chicken gizzards and plantain and sauce. So if you're enjoying this video to this point and you've watched this point, I want you to consider subscribing. I want you to like this video, share, and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I post a new video. So at this point, I was already boiling my rice because I wanted to use my rice to eat this. So Gizdodo can serve as your side dish and appetizer. You can use this to eat white rice or pasta. Let me know in the comment section what you'll be using to eat yours. I ate a plate of this and I was super satisfied. It was so yummy, guys. I used mine to eat white rice. So thanks for watching to this point. Bye.